Hello everyone, I'm Tom with Stock Navigators and this is the market update for Tuesday, May 17, 2022. So the market get into the third Friday of the month and the option expiration. So you can see that the market is trying to rebound at the level of support like we mentioned on the Sunday video weekly market forecast. So the first one we look at right now is the SP 500. As you can see that the last couple of days they try to follow the support at multiple level of support. Now they try to put it back up, so they're able to break out the downtrend line. So the momentum, it looked like it continued to put it back up. So we are still not out of wood yet. So we will have a couple rally. We have a lot of resistance on the upside. So let's see how far they can go, and then we will continue to let you know. It may be bottom out here, or maybe they retest and pull back, and then before they can go higher, or sometime after 5 months going down, they find a way to push it straight up. So it will take day by day, and then we will look at the formation and we will tell you where they're heading to. But right now, in the short term, we have a strong rebound to the upside. Let's see how far they can go. And next one is the Nasdaq. Okay, a technology stock. It still try to hold on to it. They found a support at this level. They bounce back up, so they'll be able to break out the downtrend line here today. So look like they still try to carry some more momentum to put it up to test multiple level of resistance up here. And the Dow, it also found a support here, as I mentioned earlier, and then they continue to push it back up again on the way up. Definitely we will have a lot of resistance, and let's see how far they will stop and then pull back down. Okay, so before they can revert to the upside. Now look at the IWM, which is Russell 2000. It also be able to break out the downtrend line here today. So that's the first side that the market is rebound strong from the bottom. So we do have a lot of resistance up to this level, but let's see how far they can push it back first, and then we will see how are they going to build up the momentum here, do some accumulation before they can break out. Now let's take a look on the let me see, the crude oil. Crude oil is still in the uptrend, as you can see, continue to make it high, low. So they break out, but they pull back support. The momentum is still have some more room to push it to the upside. Gold, it continue to go down. The momentum is shift to the downside. So they drop below this level of support. Now they continue to head south. So gold, it continue to heading south at the US dollar, it's going up, and that can the interest rate also going up, so that's why it's still going down. So it means that the recession is still not there yet. Okay, so look at the natural gas. It also continue to put it back up. However, this is a very important level that I wanted you last time, that we have to watch out for this sales on here. If they fail to make a sales on here, they need to pull back down. Okay, now let's take a look on the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, it also follows support. They push it back up, but they need more momentum to build up in order to turn around and retest the area here first. Okay, the Ethereum, it also tried to hold on to it, but it's still very weak. It's still in the downside, so they need to have some more strong buyer in order to put it back up. So the Bitcoin at this moment look like a little bit stronger compared to the Ethereum. So now let's take a look on the 11 sector SP 500 material. It also found a supported buy zone. Now they try to put it back up to the upside. They have some resistance up here. If they can clear that area here, they can be rebound to between 90 and 80 there. The communication is the one of the sector get hit pretty hard since the beginning of the year, but now they find a support at a major level of strong support here. They be able to break out this level here and in the short term we're looking for a rebound. We have some resistance here, but it enjoy the rebound here first. The energy, some stock in here you can watch out, like Google, okay, XLB. You can looking for a stock like FCX, right? Energy, it do a strong move to the upside. As you can see here, the momentum is to shift to the upside there, and a lot of good stock in energy like ExxonMobil, Chevron, okay, OXY. Those stock it do pretty strong there. Financial sector it get hit pretty hard, but they still be able to manage and break out this level here. So some stock they can watch out like Morgan Stanley, right? So that's a potential at bottom fishing there. The industrial it still try to break out the Dow trend line here today. So momentum will start shifting to the upside. So some stocks you look at it like FedEx, for example, one of the strong one there. The SLK, which is the technology, it still need a lot of work here. They ride at the Dow trend line here. They need to break this Dow trend line here in order to move to the upside. So right now at the XLC, which is communication in the technology, definitely those stocks that they have potential to rebound from the bottom there. The utility it also be able to follow support. Watch out for the breakout here. Then they can push it to the upside, and some stock in there like NEE, okay, Net Era, one of them there. The consumer table is also get hit pretty hard here, but they try to put it back up today. So if they need to clear this area here, they will find a way to go up. The real estate get hammered because of the high interest rate there, and the inflation, the builder slow down because the cost of material too expensive. But they also follow support now. We're looking for a short-term rebound to the upside also. XLV with the healthcare sector, they also follow support at the buy zone. Now they are going up for the last couple of days. We do have some room to put it back up to the upside there. The XLY, consumer discretionary, it do get hit pretty hard. So they need to clear the Dow trend line here. They do not get there yet. So they do have a lot of trouble. So until you see a Tesla be able to break out in order to tell you that this sector will turn around. Okay, so the XLY, that's the one that you have to watch out. They need a lot of work here in order to break out this level here. But some stock, big cap stock, some big name like Apple, they also follow support the buy zone. So, but they need a lot more work in order to push it back up. But depend on how strong the market push it back up. You can see here last time they run up. So this time here, let's see how far they can go. So depend on the momentum of the buyer step back in. Amazon still at the Dow bow here, looking for the rebound also. Microsoft still need to clear this Dow trend line here in order to put up to this level there. Google, it also try to find a way to push it back up. Netflix, it still need a lot of work in order to get up there. This stock is far behind. It will be a while for them to move on. Tesla definitely try to clear this area here in order to move up. Facebook, it still have a lot of work here. They have a lot of resistance to the upside until they clear this Dow trend line here in order for momentum to put it to the upside. Okay, so right now, look at the E-mini SP500. We are still trying to find a way to put it up. So Nasdaq also get stuck in this Dow trend line here. We need to be up more momentum in order to push it back up to the upside. Okay, so far a lot of stock that they try to find the bottom right now. So in the short term, definitely we'll see some kind of rebound, and depend on how strong the buyer step back in, and they can give you a formation of the bullish reversal or yet another buyback and then slam it down. Okay, so we'll see, and then we will continue to monitor and update to you what's going on next. Okay, so thank you for watching, and we will see you on the next video. Take care, everyone.